First, make sure the cup holders are installed on your seat. They must be installed for use. To install rear facing with a seatbelt, start by storing both the top tether and the latch connectors on the storage bars on the seat. Place the car seat rear facing in your vehicle's back seat. If you're using the Extend2Fit legroom panel, adjust it to one of the 4 positions. Use the sticker on the side as a guide and ensure the base does not extend past the indicated line. Adjust the recline using the recline handle on the base and lock it into a rear-facing position. With your vehicle parked on level ground, check the level indicator. The bubble should sit fully under the correct blue line. Use the light blue line for babies 3 months and under, and either the light or dark blue line for babies over 3 months. Move the seat padding to access the belt path. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the blue rear-facing belt path, guiding it flat across the seat and out through the opposite blue opening. Make sure the belt lies flat with no twist, then buckle it. Once tight, replace the seat padding. Pull the shoulder belt all the way out, then let it feed back in until you hear clicking. Gently pull on the belt to confirm it's locked. Grab the seat at the rear-facing belt path and gently push side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch. Recheck the level indicator to make sure it's still within the allowed range. Always check your car seat and vehicle manuals for proper installation. If you have questions, consult a certified child passenger safety technician.